Okay, hello everyone. I just want to show you this article from end of May 2012 in the New York Times, and it's about Craig Venter, and it's pretty creepy, and I'm just putting this here to remind us. So keep it in mind, okay, because the elections are going on, the war is going on, Monsanto is going on, the earth degradation is going on, and these experiments with scientists are going on, and Craig Venter is one of the main guys. So as you know, he invented the synthetic Cynthia back in 2010, conveniently at the same time that the Gulf oil spill happened, and he was funded by Exxon and BP. I have that here somewhere, but that information to confirm that, but it's easy to find. I just can't find it right now. But I want to show you what some things that Craig Venter talks about, just a couple of things, because he's really pretty creepy and very egocentric. And he seems to be deciding what we need. And so here he's talking about the future being right around the corner, and how in 2003 they could piece together a strip of DNA that was identical to a natural virus, and then they watched it spring into action and attack a cell. Can you imagine? So just want you to be aware that this is going on, because this is something that doesn't just affect our voting style or life or choice or whatever, but our actual bodies and what the whole world is made of. They want to change the whole entire world. They said evolution is messy. So if you go and read this whole article, which you can see is pretty long, then you get an understanding of what he's talking about. So he is working with algae, and he's just bought a company. He bought a company that, and all the patents, a lot of patents from this company I'm going to show you in a moment. And he also bought land in the desert in California so he can start producing the algae. And look at this. Just lost it when I moved. That's what I hate about the computer. Sometimes jumps around and then I can't find anything. Okay, forget it. But basically what he just said was it's taken nature or evolution billions of years, and now they're just going to tweak it and make what they want. And look, he says it's a little bit of a black art, and his boat is named Sorcerer 2. That's what I mean, he's kind of a creepy guy. So this thing down here where he says, all right here, agriculture as we know it needs to disappear. We can design better and healthier proteins than we get from nature. So he's actually talking about redesigning the whole entire world. And I wonder if he's connected with Ray Kurzweil, transhumanism, the futurists, and Monsanto. I don't know. But I imagine, okay, he wants to produce bulk commodities like corn. I don't like it. Soy, I don't like that. And I don't like wheat. But, you know, I just imagine the earth is this big factory farm. And if they want to make it so good for us with better quality proteins. Why isn't Monsanto doing that? And why are they making those products to cause tumors and organ damage, I wonder? They always sound so altruistic, but I don't think they are. So he is really into this synthetic DNA. So what I want to just tell you more about this is here. Here's his website. So they talk about their challenge and, you know, producing all these synthetic microbes and things. And here's where they bought the 81-acre site. Here's where they bought the patent portfolio from this company that has all kinds of DNA patents. And this HSBC Bank, your DNA will be your data. I put this up before a long time ago, but it's worth looking at again since just revisiting Greg Venter's progress. So have a look.
Hey everyone, Terry Wilson coming to you for CanadianAwareness.org. Today is June the 15th, 2012. And as many of you may know, we've been covering the progress of the smart grid and the cashless society coming into fruition in Canada. And it's really speeding up. You know, between the mint chip from the Royal Canadian Mint, banks making it so that you can pay for things with your smartphone. Polls conducted by PayPal Canada that say 53% of Canadians would prefer a cashless society. It's just really getting out of hand. It's insane. And then a friend of mine out in BC posted online a photo of an advertisement from HSBC Bank. Now, here's that advertisement. So your DNA will be your data.
Okay, I'm just going to stop it right there because you can go look that up for yourself, and here's a really nice site, seems nice, Power Watch Agency of the People. So you can put up things there that are bothering you or things that you're discovering, but anyway, there's something about our DNA. And now I just want you to see this. There's this thing called, which is so interesting, iGEMS. Okay, high school students, they get to create synthetic biology with standard parts, and those are with BioBricks. So they put BioBricks together and they create something, and then they send it to try to win. Okay, here they are. Submissions. Now, what if these things escape? Does anybody think that this is strange? There's so many people producing these kinds of things, and what if these tubes break or someone, and they jump out, and are they alive? Do they self-replicate? This is my ignorance showing up. I have no idea, but it is pretty crazy because it's synthetic. Okay, here's some BioBricks. It's like Legos. You can order this, I guess. There's so many things that you can order online. Why do these things switch? Okay, I get rid of that. Okay, that. All right, BioBricks. And they're adjectives, not nouns. Genetic parts via open technical standards setting process. So they can incorporate these into living cells like E. coli. You know those weird E. coli things that were attacking different fruits and vegetables. Okay, these are high school kids and entrepreneurs, excuse me, and college kids playing with this. And then here is Drew Endy. He's like the new Steve Jobs. Open wetware. Wetware. That's sort of like our, you know, like our DNA, you know, our cells and organisms, everything. It's all going to be mixed with computers and interface. We're going to become cyborgs. Well, you can look him up, Drew Endy, and these things. But do you want your DNA to be your data by HSBC, knowing how corrupt HSBC is? And look at these guys. He wants to take over evolution. I don't know him. I heard of him, and I read about Drew Endy. So just making you aware, okay, you guys. And thank you for listening to this. And God bless. Okay, they don't think that there's a God. They just think that it's evolution, and evolution has done a bad job. They're going to take over for evolution now. And they are. So you can go and be entertained at this stupid site, which I use, and also Google. It's kind of funny to think that Google would not remove, the government asked Google to remove the Islamic movie, or the movie about Islam that was being so causing so much disruption all over the world, so-called disruption by that film. But Google is the government, so that is kind of doesn't make sense. The government asked Google to take it down, but Google says no, but Google is the government. This is true if you don't know it. So, what's her name? Regina, I don't know. She came from DARPA, she went to Google. So, NSA, Google, all that, they are our spying overlords. So watch out for your DNA. Hold on to your DNA, everyone. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful life. Okay, God bless.